Good evening, folks, and welcome to the Horror Corner. I'm your host, Sean Patrick Urshan. This week we got an epic unboxing for you guys. Really excited about this item. I got it as an early Christmas present from my wife, so definitely thank you so much, Christy Marie. Really happy with this. Bam, there you have it. We've got Dr. Loomis and Laurie Strode from Halloween 2, 1981. So happy to finally have a Dr. Loomis figure as well as a Laurie Strode. So I love both of these, and I think they look fantastic. I love the detail, and the likeness is just perfect. So let's get this bad boy open. Trying to be delicate with this box. I don't want to ruin the box because I want to, keep it in there when I need to. All right. You get a little more clear picture of it. Love it. Both come with the guns. They're both strapped. The trick is going to be getting it out of the plastic. And there we go. Look at Laurie. Equipped with hospital gown from Haddonfield Memorial Hospital. Why won't he die? And you can see it's attention to details, very nice. You got her foot wrapped in the bandage. You got a little bit of blood stain on her gown there. And just look at the face, the detail on the hair and the face, just very nice. And she's got blood on her hand there, and her hand is wrapped in the bandage as well. I think it's just a really beautiful likeness. I love it. Now let's get to Dr. Loomis, the main event. Alright. Here he is. All his glory, the man. Donald Pleasance as Dr. Loomis. You don't know what death is. It's a tribe. One of their number was butchered. This is awake. Yeah, I might quote Dr. Loomis all day. And you see he is fully clothed. You can take the jacket off. He's got the classic brown suit there. I mean, look at the detail on his face there. It's like perfect. I mean, it looks exactly like him. Got the brown shoes, and yeah, I mean, just a really nice likeness. Really nice figure. I'm very happy with it. And of course, you can change his hand. He's got the match, not the match, the lighter. For when you gotta do "It's Time, Michael." When he lights the match in the hospital and blows up the hospital, basically. Let's take a look at the gats, the guns. Which are nicely detailed. Look at that. I don't know how clearly you guys can see that, but they're nicely detailed. Let's put one in the hands of Dr. Loomis here. Heightens my sense of security. I love it. I shot him 6 times. Bam. I don't play with toys, I play with action figures. And if you see on the box, I just thought it was funny. The box says ages 17 and up, so when people make fun of you, like, Look, this is made for adults. Alright. Now let's just stand them up. Hopefully they stand well. Alright, we got... Oh, come on. And there you have it, folks. Dr. Loomis and Laurie Strode from NECA Figures. And of course from the legendary Halloween 2, which is my favorite horror sequel of all time. Very, very happy with these figures. Definitely run and buy it if you can this Christmas season. And they're just absolutely amazing. It's so worth it. It's a little bit pricey, I'll be honest. It was like $100, but well worth it for you Halloween fans out there. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me, Sean Patrick Urshan, in the Horror Corner. Tune in and stay scared.